Chicken on a Broom by Adam Learthrope. Zoe and Sam put on their costumes. They were heading to the party when Sam noticed Pip. Pip looked upset. "What's wrong, Pip?" asked Sam. "My mask is in the barn," said Pip. "So?" asked Sam. "The barn is haunted," said Pip. "There's a ghost, a huge spider, and a vampire in there too." "Not a problem," said Zoe. "Sam and I will help you get your mask." "Will you?" asked Pip. "We will." "We will?" asked Sam. "Keep your hat on, Sam," said Zoe. "This chicken rides a broom." "Henry, want to help?" asked Zoe. "Pip's mask was stolen by ghosts." "No, thanks," said Henry. "I'm setting up for the party. Good luck with that ghost." "Clara, want to help?" asked Zoe. "Pip's mask was stolen by ghosts." "Ghosts?" asked Clara. "There's no such thing." "I hope that's true," said Sam. "Don't worry," said Zoe. "The broom and I will protect you." "It's very dark in there," said Sam. "Maybe we should come back later." "Not a problem," said Zoe. "This broom is fully equipped. It comes with a flashlight." "Where's the mask?" asked Zoe. "It's up in the loft," said Pip. "Okay, let's go up the stairs," said Zoe. "What about the ghosts?" asked Sam. But Zoe was already off. The wind howled through the loft. "Ooh, I'm scared," said Pip. "It's just the wind," said Sam. "Not the wind," said Zoe. "Ghosts." "Help," said Pip. "Don't let them eat me," said Sam. "Abracazoom, meet my broom," said Zoe. Zoe swept the ghosts aside. "Watch out, Pip," said Sam. "You have hay on your head." "Not hay," said Zoe. "Cobwebs. Abracazoom, meet my broom." Zoe swept the cobwebs away. "What's in that cobweb?" asked Sam. "Ah!" squeaked Pip. "It's a giant spider." "Not a spider," said Zoe. "Pip's mask." "My mask?" said Pip. "Can we go now?" asked Sam. "We can go," said Zoe. "We just need to avoid that bat." "A baseball bat?" asked Sam. "Not a baseball bat," said Zoe. "A dangerous vampire bat. Abraca-run! Everyone run!" "That was close," said Zoe. "Everyone okay?" Everyone was. "Can we go to the party?" asked Pip. "Can we get some treats?" asked Sam. "We can do both," said Zoe. "Let's go." "You found your mask," said Henry. "We did," said Pip. "The spider had it, not the ghost." "We should get a reward," said Sam. "Maybe some treats." "Not just treats," said Zoe. "Bobbing for apples," said Zoe. "Yum," said Sam. "Me first, me first." The end.